who coined the legal phrase, right to be let alone. Imagine living in a world where your personal space is protected by law, where no one can intrude on your private life without permission. That idea has been around for a long time, but who actually gave it a name? The phrase, right to be let alone, is a key part of understanding your privacy rights today. The person credited with popularizing this phrase is Samuel D. Warren II and Louis D. Brandeis. They wrote about it in an article published in the Harvard Law Review in the year 1890. The article was called The Right to Privacy. In that piece, they described the idea that everyone has a right to keep their personal life private and free from unwanted interference. Before Warren and Brandeis, a judge named Thomas M. Cooley had mentioned a similar idea. He talked about a person's right to be let alone in his book on torts, which are wrongful acts that cause harm. But it was Warren and Brandeis who clearly put the phrase into the context of modern privacy law. They explained that as society and technology changed, traditional laws protecting against physical harm were not enough. They argued that people needed protection from invasive media and new inventions that could expose their private lives. Louis Brandeis, who later became a Supreme Court justice, kept advocating for this idea. In a famous Supreme Court case called Olmstead v. United States in the year 1928, he dissented. He described the right to be let alone as the most comprehensive of rights and the one most valued by civilized people. His words emphasized how important privacy is, especially against government intrusion. Knowing this phrase helps you understand your rights today. It means you have a legal claim to keep your personal information private and to be free from unwarranted searches, surveillance, or invasive media coverage. It also protects you from unauthorized use or sharing of your private photos or details. In practical terms, the right to be let alone means authorities cannot search your home or monitor your calls without a proper reason. It also means the press cannot publish private facts about you that serve no public interest. This idea is the foundation for many laws that prevent spying, hacking, or exposing private information without permission. So, the next time you hear about privacy rights, remember that Samuel D. Warren II and Louis D. Brandeis are the ones who gave us the phrase that reminds us everyone deserves personal space and privacy. Their work laid the groundwork for the protections we relying on today to keep our personal lives safe from unwanted intrusion.